In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix Roblox error code 286. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by ensuring that you do not have any actual apps also open. This is a main reason why this Roblox error code happens, so if you have an app, you're just going to swipe it up like that. But since I already have Roblox open and nothing else open, if you're on an Android, you're going to have the option to actually hold on the app and look at the app info. If you look at the app info, you're then going to clear the data and you're just going to be prompted to log back in and the Roblox error code should be fixed. Mostly with iPhones, the only reason is because you have other apps open, and that's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.